Okay, today we look at ratio. Ratio is a very simple concept. For example, I say I have 4 red pen and 2 blue pen. So my ratio rate to blue will be 4 to 2. And the thing about ratio is that you can simplify them. You can simplify the number into a smaller number. That means divide. Divide the same number. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. Both of them divide the same number. Divide by 2. Likewise, if I give you a ratio, for example, 3 is to 1. Anything, okay, it can be a rabbit to lion, 3 to 1. So I can multiply any number. For example, I multiply 2, 6 to 2. If I multiply 3, 9 to 3. So this is the ratio. This is also the ratio. This is also the ratio. So what is my actual number of rabbit and lion? It could be 9 and 3. Or it could be 6 and 2. And then this one is my ratio. It could be like this. It could be any number that fits this ratio. Okay, but if I tell you that my ratio rabbit to lion is 3 to 1, and I tell you that my actual number of lion is 5. Did I have 5 lion? How many rabbit I have? So you look at these two numbers, you know that the relationship between them is times 5. So here this side, the rabbit, you also can times 5. So the actual number of rabbit is 15. 15 to 5 fix the ratio 3 to 1. So the ratio you can either multiply or divide to simplify the number or to get a higher number by multiplying. Okay, but you cannot plus or minus. The ratio will be the same after you plus or minus. For example, let's say I buy 2 more red pens. So 4 plus 2, I get 6. So the blue still the same 2. So my ratio has already changed. It becomes 6 to 2. Red to blue, 6 to 2. And when I simplified it, it becomes 3 to 1. It's different from our 2 to 1 just now. Likewise, I minus 1 red pen. So 4 becomes 3. So my ratio has already changed to 3 to 2. Okay, so until here you may say that, oh, you only plus 1 or you only minus 1. One side you only plus and minus red color. If I do it on both sides, for example, I buy 2 more red pen and 2 more blue pen. I plus the same number on both sides, red and blue. So I will get 4 becomes 6, 2 becomes 4. So 6 to 4. My ratio, eventually it will become 3 to 2 after I simplify it. So the ratio is different from 2 to 1 from the beginning. So what I mean is you can time the same numbers, you can divide the same number, the ratio will still be in that ratio. The ratio will still be the same. But if you plus both plus 2, red and blue, even you both plus the same number and you plus them on the same side, eventually your ratio, you will have a different ratio. The ratio will change. So the rule is you can only divide or time. You cannot plus or minus. The ratio will change. Okay, now another thing I want you to take note is if I plus on one side, for example, I plus on red color, so I get 6. My ratio had already changed. And not only that, you notice that the blue color is still the same, but the red color changed by 1. This is what we call by 1 unit. The unit changed by 1 unit. the ratio changed by 1 unit, but the actual number it changed by 2, plus 2. But in the ratio, in the unit, it changed by 1 unit. For this one, I minus 1, so it becomes 3 to 2. So you notice that even I only minus 1 at the red color, but my blue color ratio has already changed. Just now I have 2 to 1, but now I have 3 to 2. So both numbers are changed. Even that I only minus at red color side, but both ratio are changed. Okay, so this is another thing I want you to take note. Any fraction, I can turn it into ratio. For example, I say 3 out of 5 of the pen is red. So what it means? 3 out of 5. That means total I have 5 pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 out of 5 is red color. So that means the rest are blue color. That means blue color I have 2. So red to blue, the ratio is 3 to 1. In this case, this is the most simplified number. I cannot simplify it anymore. So this is, this will be my ratio. Now we look at one question. Sandra has some lemon and peppermint sweet in a container. 3 out of 5 of the sweet are peppermint. After she adds in another 30 peppermint sweet, 3 out of 4 of the sweet are peppermint. How many sweet does she have in the container in the end? So first, I want to convert the fraction into ratio. So I have 2 flavors, lemon and peppermint. So from this ratio, I know that I have total 5 sweet, peppermint, and lemon. And 3 of them are peppermint. So that means I have 2 lemon flavor in the beginning. After that, I add in 30 peppermint. Okay, so this is the actual number. This is ratio. So we cannot add in straight away 30 plus 3 equals 33. Wrong. That would be wrong. This is the actual number. This is a ratio. Two different things. So after I add in 30 peppermint, my ratio become 3. 3 out of 4 of the sweet are peppermint. So that means peppermint I still remain have 3. And then my lemon sweet become 1 because now the total is 4. So you can see the difference. Although I add in peppermint, but the number of peppermint in ratio is still the same, 3 to 3. But for lemon, the ratio change. For lemon, the ratio decrease. So it doesn't make sense. What makes sense is the ratio of peppermint shouldn't change, right? Because we didn't add in any lemon sweet. We only add in peppermint. So what I will do is, since lemon sweet, the number didn't change, so the ratio supposedly shouldn't be a different number. So what I will do is I will make the lemon sweet the same unit, the same ratio. So since you have 2 units in the beginning, at the end you will still have 2 units because you didn't add in or you didn't remove. So what I will do is I will times 2. So I have the same 2 units like in the beginning. So when I times 2 here, here also I must times 2 so that I fix this ratio 1 to 3. Okay, so another rule in ratio is when you time or divide one number, another number, you must also do the same. So 3 to 6, 2 to 6. So from 2 to 3, it becomes 2 to 6. So now I will use this ratio. So this one I will look at it. I will use this ratio and this ratio. So this is a ratio before, this is a ratio after. So before I add in 30 peppermint, the peppermint is 3 units. After I add in 30 peppermint, the ratio becomes 6 units. So what it means that is the 30 peppermint is equal to how many units? 6 units minus 3 units equal to 3 units. So the 30 peppermint is actually equal to 3 units. That means in actual world, in the actual number, I add in 30 peppermint. And in the ratio world, I actually add in 3 units. 3 plus 3 units equal to 6 units. So 30 equal to 3 units. So 1 unit equal to 10. The question asks for the how many sweets does she have in the container in the end. In the end, it has 6 units plus 2 units, 8 units. 8 units equal to 8 times 10, 80 sweets. So my final answer is 80.